Hi, this is Deborah, and my video got cut off as you can see, but I'm working on some projects for Mother's Day here. I've done these little purses for a few years in a row. I'm not quite sure if we're going to do the same kind of purses here for this year, but we're working on, I do have some ready for that. In these little purses is going to be a lip sugar scrub and a lip balm. And that's going to be with a $40 purchase for Mother's Day on the website. We're going to give this little purse free. Now, we always run out of these purses. And I do have plan B for this year if we do run out of them. We're going to have some pre-made already, and we're just going to put some foo-foo on them. Also, we have our Mother's Day lotion little gift set here with lotion and Morocco rose water. And this is a toner. You can use it before your makeup or after your makeup. It sets the makeup really well because I use it all the time. So this is really amazing. I love this product. Let's see. I'm not quite sure if we're going to do just a hand lotion. We have a few things we're doing. This is just one of our gift sets. But yeah, we will do the hand lotion. What am I saying? But we also have some other gift sets as well that I will show at a later date. Also, let's see, what else is in this? Oh yeah, I also made some bath melts. They're not bath bomb, they have a little bit of fizz, but they have more oils to them, so they really moisturize your skin in the bathtub. This is when you just want to relax in the tub. So these are bath melts, and we're only going to have I think maybe 3 different fragrances that you can pick from, because it can just keep going and going and going. And since it's just me doing this, so it just works out really good for me just to do 3 fragrance, and maybe 4 with unscented, because I always do an unscented products as well for the customers that can't handle fragrance. They don't want essential oils. They don't want any fragrance at all in their products. So I just wanted to show you, this is a short video. As you can see, this is some of the lip sugar scrub and the lip balms and some of the cute purses. Like I said, we will have many different kinds of purses. We just never know how many we're going to have, but so you want to place your order early. So it will be posted soon. So hope you watch out for it. Thank you and have an awesome day. Bye now.